Plank was started, actually it's a long time now already, it's almost 10 years. Plank was started in 1998. The basic way to describe it is we build websites. I could talk about a million other things. I could say we're a multimedia studio, we do this, we do that, we do CD-ROMs, but really 95% of the time we build websites. With that, we also started off more as a design company, but over the years we've started to build up so that we're designing websites, trying to make them look beautiful, usability, and try to really build something that looks great when you get to the site, but we've also built a lot of technology and tools to help run sites behind it, from content management systems to mailing list systems, polls, petitions, all kinds of stuff, just to really make sites useful as well. I'm not one to say we're the best company in the world, you should work here because we're fantastic and cool, and no, the truth is I think we take pride in doing quality work, we take pride in doing stuff that we're all proud of, and we try to work on projects that make us happy. You know, I'm sure you can just pan around and see all the people that work here, but the funny thing is, most people that work here, we're actually, a lot of people here are friends, or friends of friends, and a lot of the people here come from a more creative background. It's funny that actually people here all have side hobbies, if it's photography or music, you know, it's surfing. So we really have a diverse group of people who are not just people who work and go home.
It's a fun working environment. I mean, that to me makes all the difference. I personally came from a corporate work environment. I used to work as a lawyer in a big law firm, and I have gone from one end of the corporate culture spectrum to the other. We really have a relaxed working environment which comes from the top down. Our president is really the type of guy who likes to stir trouble and have a good time at the office, and that makes for an environment that's just, it's second to none.
Up until now, I've been pretty much the main contact for all of our clients because I myself really have a vested interest in making sure that they're happy, that they enjoy the work, and that we really take the time, and I take the time to spend with them and understand things. But at the same time, Plank's been growing and we're taking on lots of bigger projects where right now basically the best way to describe it is I need help. So what we're looking for is a project manager. We need more people here who can really invest the time into making sure our projects are great. So the person that needs to come on, project manager, you, person X, you need to come on and do that with me. So the person will probably be working at first really closely with me so that they can really understand the Plank way of doing things, and they'll also be really involved with everybody on our team to really define how things are going to work here. So it's really a key position coming up here at Plank. You know, Plank has a real diversity of clients, and in some ways that's the fun of it, is that day to day or month to month, you could be working on one kind of project and then the next month something completely different. One month you could be working with stuff for Michael Moore, and the next month you could be working on something for a non-profit organization. Month after that you'd be working on a project for an information technology company, a mobile company. But most importantly, we do have a vision of the kind of projects we want to take on. We want to take on projects that we can make a difference with. For example, one of our clients that we work with, or one of the projects we work on, it's not really a client so much as it's a passion, is a project called Highlands Hope. And Highlands Hope is a project where what we've done is we've built a website using WordPress, which is a blogging technology, to allow people at 3 AIDS hospitals in Tanzania be able to update their site on a regular basis. And given the infrastructure in Tanzania, that was a big thing for them to be able to do. So on one level, that could be a passion project we're working on. Another time, we work with a company like Airborne Entertainment, which is actually one of the biggest mobile entertainment companies in North America. So, you know, you can have the excitement of working on projects for them, which could be things like Family Guy websites or Maxim websites, and then at the same time really do something with a social conscience to try to change the world. For me, the most important thing is going to be the interview process. In other words, when I get to know you, that's when, or when you get to know us, that's when we'll really see if it clicks or not. I'm not one to be a stickler for you must have X, A, B, C, D degrees, you know, you must have gone to this school, but I want to see from your past work experience and from your passions and from, you know, what you've done as a whole person, if you have what it takes to take on this job. That's it, somebody's going to get things done. Were you worried I was going to freeze on camera?